Hey, today I'm going to show you how to stop your iPhone from automatically deleting your messages in iMessage. So let's say you're trying to find like a picture, a video, or maybe just an old text that a friend sent you and you can't find it. Odds are it's because your phone is actually deleting it itself. It's a good way to save space on your phone, but who knows if you actually want it there. So it's actually a extremely simple process. We're just going to go ahead and open up our settings. Once we are inside our settings here, we're just going to scroll all the way down to where we see iMessage. There we go. There it is. We're going to go ahead and scroll down to messages. It's funny to me that it's called messages, but they still call it iMessage. Then once we are in here, we're going to scroll all the way down to where we see we should see some, keep messages, right? Or message history. So we're going to go ahead and select this. There are some important things in here that will erase a lot of things. So let me go over this a little bit. Yours might be set to default as forever, but who knows? Maybe it's deleting it after 1 year. It's deleting it after 30 days. Here's the really important thing that you got to keep in mind is that if you select 1 year, it's going to ask you, it's going to say, hey, messages older than 1 year will be permanently deleted. You can't undo this action. So just make sure that when you're selecting these, you're really confident in what you actually want to have deleted and not, because it's not like when you select this, it's going to start after that. It's going to start immediately. So it's going to look for all your messages that are over a year old, and it's going to automatically delete them. So I would highly advise that you go through your text messages first and, save all the videos, save all the texts and all of that, that you don't want it to delete. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please like, subscribe. I'll see you next time.